In the late 1990s, Beck came up with his 4 rules of simple design while he was developing extreme programming. As you can see from the diagram here, simple design is one of the core XP practices. Although the rules have been worded slightly differently by many people, including Ward Cunningham, Martin Fowler, Corey Haynes, and J.B. Rainsberger, the goal of the rules remain the same. We'll use Fowler's list here. Tests should be comprehensive and, most importantly, must pass. Automated testing is the best way to ensure code not only meets its specifications, but can be safely refactored. A thorough suite of passing tests also provides an incontrovertible and executable set of documentation for the code. As Fowler says, whatever else you do with the software, the primary aim is that it works as intended, and tests are there to ensure that happens. Some estimate that we spend up to 90% of our time reading code when creating software. Whatever the percentage actually is, all code should be written with the reader in mind. Variable, method, and class names should clearly describe their behavior. This is sometimes referred to as the principle of least astonishment. Intention can be revealed in a number of ways, including clear and descriptive naming of elements and the creation of meaningful abstractions which encapsulate lower-level details. It is important that we follow the single responsibility principle by not putting the implementation of unrelated ideas in the same element. By accurately describing the behavior of each of our elements with precise and meaningful names, we can help to ensure this. Duplication can lead to many problems in software design. While it is often desirable to remove all duplication from code, it is duplication of knowledge or logic which can be really harmful to the maintainability of our code. Having the same piece of logic duplicated in your code base means that a developer must know how to make changes in all the relevant places when functional changes are required. If we have code that has a comprehensive and passing suite of tests, which is developed with the reader in mind and has no duplication of knowledge, we are already most of the way to achieving simple design. The final step is to ensure that we have the fewest number of elements required to maintain the previous 3 rules. This rule is sometimes expressed as YAGNI, or you aren't going to need it. In this step, we are checking that we have no superfluous elements within our design, that we are not building for the future or maintaining dead code. It was Beck's intention that the rules should be applied in order. However, many developers find themselves conflicted when applying rules 2 and 3, and some prefer to reverse the order of these 2 elements, or move between the 2. In reality, when revealing intent, duplication in your code will become clearer, and when duplication is minimized, it will better reveal its intent.